Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about blogs and how you can actually make a simple 4-page blog that is going to make you up to $300 a day. All right, so what I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to draw it for you. I'm going to explain the template and the strategy, and then I'm going to take you to my computer to kind of share more details about it, so you can just get a good idea, understand this whole strategy better. So I've talked about review sites before on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a video up here so you can check it out. When it comes to building review sites, there are a lot of different ways to really build something. It depends on the campaign and what you're actually trying to achieve with it. So in this case, this blog, this 4-page website or blog that we're building, the sole purpose of it is to simply just sell a product. We're not warming the traffic up, because this is not going to be a keyword based blog. It's going to be simply a review blog. Okay, so for example, by keyword based blog, I mean that for example, most of the times the way affiliate marketing works is that you choose a keyword that choose a subject that people are looking for. Let's say it's a weight loss product, right? So you choose a keyword. Let's say you choose the subject. The subject is how to lose weight in 2 weeks, right? So that's your subject, and then you build a campaign around it, whether it's a video, it's a blog, or it's a website, whatever it is. You build a campaign around it, and then you promote a product based on that keyword. So if someone's looking to lose weight in 2 weeks, you promote that product to them. But in this case, we're not actually focusing on the keyword. We're actually focusing on the product name itself. So let's say the product you're promoting is called ABCD product. Your website is going to be called abcdreview.com or something like that. So it's just direct selling. So let me explain the template, and I'm going to talk about traffic, sending traffic to these type of blogs in future, because there are a lot of different ways to do this. You can go the free route, which is doing some SEO, all that stuff, or you can do the paid route, which is my favorite way. You can just send traffic to send traffic from paid sources like Facebook, Bing, and all of those places to your blog. So let's talk about the strategy. So the template of this 4-page site is really simple. So I'm just going to draw it. Let me make sure you can see. Okay, so this is the header, right? So your headline is going to be here. So that's your blog or website name. Let's say abcreview.com. Your headline is going to say ABC Review, full review, or something like that. And then there's going to be some description. That's the header, right? And there's going to be a menu up here. I'm going to actually talk about this menu, but then you're going to have your whole site down here. Okay, so sorry for that. So there's going to be a sidebar, and then this whole page, okay, basically this whole page is going to be about the product. So this is going to be your full review, nothing else. You're just reviewing the product. Okay, so that's like the main page of the site. When someone lands at the page, that's going to be the first page they see. They're going to see the whole review. Okay, so that's that. And then on the menu, you're going to have the home page, which is the let's just put H here. So that's going to be basically your review page, right? So if this article here is called ABC Review, ABC full review, is ABC product good or bad or something like that, this link up here is going to say ABC Review. Okay, so that's going to be your home page button. And the second one is the about. Okay, so this is the about. So basically you're going to say what is your blog or website about. You just maybe write 200 words of content on that specific about page and say, hey, this blog is about this. I'm going to share my experience, or you share other people's experience if you haven't used the product yourself. So that would be about page. And the next one is what is inside. Okay, so there's going to be another link. It just doesn't fit. I can't write it in there. It's too small. So there's going to be another link up here that sends them to another page on your site that says what is inside ABC product. Okay, so the reason it's important to have a specific page for that particular like subject is that you can't just share so much content. You don't want to make this content too long. Okay, I mean, it's important to have it at least 800 words on the homepage, but you don't want to have too many pictures and make it too long. Okay, so it's important to have a separate page. You can use this to link from your main content to that page. So what is inside ABC product? That's another page. You can share pictures, videos of the product, like what they're gonna get if they purchase the product from your affiliate link. So that's that. And then next one is gonna be the bonus. Now this is the biggest one because this is pretty much the most important thing. I've talked about giving bonuses before on my blog, on the Adversity blog, and also inside Adversity products, and also on my YouTube channel too. It's like the way you stand out is by giving bonuses. So if you don't do that, you're gonna miss a lot. So it's important to provide a bonus. So this page is gonna be called ABC product bonus, or claim your ABC product bonus, or something like that. Again, you're gonna link you're gonna link to these pages from this article. So all of these links, you're gonna link from this article to these pages. So you create an interlinking system, so that way you rank better on Google for it. So that's the basic outline. Next is just the sidebar. Okay, so on the sidebar you're gonna have about. I don't know why I have a big capital B, but anyway. So there's gonna be a picture of you, if you're okay putting your pictures up there, and then there's gonna be some content about you, and then you actually have a link that sends them to the about page. Okay, that's you wanna have a little bit of content below the picture, and then you send them to about page, and then you're gonna have a banner. So this is going to be a banner. That's going to be a banner that sends people directly to the sales page to your affiliate link. Okay, so it's going to be a banner about the product. Okay, so you can usually, like, if you just go through the affiliate section of the product you're promoting, they give you banners. So you can use that. You just put it up there, and you put the link. You link it to the affiliate to your affiliate link. Okay, so that's really important. And the next one is your link. So what you want to do is you want to list all of the pages that you have on your site down here too. Okay, so you have it up there, you want to list them down here to make sure they actually see it. So again, about the bonus page, and also like what's inside, you want to link them down here under the banner. So this is the basic outlet or template of the site. So let's go to my computer. I'm going to talk about the content a little bit and explain exactly what kind of content you need to write to make it work. Okay, so let me go to my computer, let me explain a little bit about this, and I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you some advice for writing good content, because there is a lot to do when it comes to writing a good content, writing that good review, like that first page content. And I give you a template. I talk about all of it in detail inside the Niche Blogging Success course. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. But I'm gonna give you something really important that you gotta apply. So there's a lot of requirements that you gotta apply, but one of them is having the right keyword in this. So let's say the product I'm promoting is called Lean Belly Breakthrough. Now this is a product on ClickBank, and it's a really famous one. So I'm gonna actually, and on my keyword planner, this is a free tool you can use. Okay, so I'm just putting this keyword right here, and let me actually show you something. So obviously, if I want to target this product, this is going to be my main keyword, right? Lean belly breakthrough. So this is my main keyword. The next one, the other keywords that I got to use inside my review content, like that main content on the home page, are these keywords. So the good thing is when you do a search like this on Google Keyword Planner, it gives you a lot of good ideas, what kind of keywords you should be using. So this is another keyword, another keyword, another keyword. The system, another keyword. As you see, I'm just getting a ton of keywords. These are things that I can just use inside my content when I'm writing that main article to get more traffic and traction from Google. And yeah, so this is just one thing, and I actually, as I said, I have a full template for this, because there's a lot to do when it comes to building these things. They seem a little bit simple, but they're not. You gotta make sure you write a good content. You write your article in a way that is actually going to get you sales. So yeah, so this is just one of them. You got to make sure that you apply all these keywords inside your article. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber, and also hit that bell icon to get notifications when a new video comes out. And by the way, if you want to learn all these things that I talked about in detail, and if you want to learn, how I do niche blogging, I mean the cool thing about blogging and making affiliate commissions with blogging is that you can set up these small websites. You don't need that much money to set them up. A domain costs you $5, and the hosting is going to cost you maybe $10 a month, and you can make a ton of money from it if you have like a 20-30 of these websites, and they don't take they're not that hard to create when you know exactly how to do it. Because it seems a little bit simple, but there's much more detail to them. For example, writing this content, you need to follow a good template that is going to actually help you to actually write good content that is going to make the sell for you. And all of these sites, how to set up these sites, how to do the SEO, how to get the traffic to this site. Because yes, you can rely on free traffic a little bit. It's not the best way to go about this, because again, the problem with free traffic is that I've talked about this. I've talked about this all the time on my YouTube channel. It's not scalable, so you can't scale it. When you use paid traffic, the good thing is you can just send as much as traffic you want to your website, and you can get as many sales that you want. So that's the good thing about paid traffic. And if you're on a budget and if you cannot spend thousands of dollars on paid traffic, that's okay too, because inside the course I'm actually going to talk about how to get paid traffic for such a cheap price that you just wouldn't believe it. So it's really cool. You should definitely check out the course. I'm going to leave a link in the description. I'm going to talk about all these things in detail inside the niche blogging success course. So in that, again, you're going to learn all these stuff in detail. I'm going to give you templates, and I'm actually going to do everything in front of you in details. Okay, so you're gonna actually see me building pages, building websites. On the main course, I'm gonna do one campaign right in front of you, and then there's an elite section that you're gonna see me building 3 different sites right in front of you live. So these are like 2 hours long videos. You're gonna see everything in detail. You're gonna see me building it, so you're not gonna miss anything. So it's really cool. You should definitely check it out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, so you can just get started with that. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. If not, I'll see you in the next video.